How to upload multiple photos on TikTok. Hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to upload multiple photos on TikTok. So all you have to do is you have to make sure that your TikTok application is updated. So all you have to do is to go to your Play Store and type in TikTok. Now if you will see an update button there, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. And as you can see, I don't have any update button, which means that my TikTok application is updated. Now, if your application is updated, we can now start on our tutorial. So go back to the home page and then go to Snapchat, to TikTok rather. And you will be directed to your For You page or your home page. And on the bottom part, you will see all the icons, the home, the friends, the plus sign, the inbox, and the profile. So you click on the plus sign there. Then you will be directed again to your camera. Let's just move this here. As you can see, that's my camera. And on the bottom part, you will see effects, the push button for the camera. And on the right side, you will see the word upload. So you have to click on that. Now you will be directed to your gallery. So everything in your gallery will be seen here. So since we want to upload multiple photos, you could actually just section this to photos. Just click on the photos here. And as you can see here, these are your photos. Now all you have to do is to pick one photo there. Let's say want to choose this photo. And then you could actually move it anywhere, resize it anywhere. And in adding more photos, to upload more photos, on the right side you will see the word stickers there. You click on stickers and you will see this icon here, the image icon plus, and then under it is the plus sign, so you click on that. Now if you click on that, you will be again directed to your photos. So you just have to click on different photos. Let's just say we want to choose this, and then if you want to remove the background, you could actually click on remove the background there. So if you don't want to, then you could do that too. So just press OK and it will be added there. And basically that is how you upload multiple photos on TikTok. So that concludes this tutorial. I hope you find this useful, and if you did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Please leave any questions you may have in the comment section, and have a great day.